Congratulations, guys. Congratulations to every single student in India who raised the voice for a strong anti-paper leak law. The law is now a reality. The parliament has passed it with newer amendments. This law now is going to provide for fast-track courts, stronger punishments, higher penalties, and most importantly, swift justice. This is one step towards a major examination reform in the country. Soon, the Nandan Nilekani Committee high-powered task force is going to give more recommendations which should be carried out. Together with the NEP, the way we are taught and the way we are tested, both are going to be completely different in the country. Now, while all of this happened and the government passed this law, one thing that really shocked me, surprised me, was Rahul Gandhi's behavior. This is not to bring politics, but to tell all of you what happened in Parliament. Rahul Gandhi gave a long speech today. Go back and check the speech. What surprised me was not a single sentence in his entire speech was on examination reforms. Not one single sentence was on education system reforms. Not one single sentence was on this paper leak law. He spoke for a long time and only spoke politics. The last 2 weeks he posed as though he was the champion of students in India. But today when it came to action, he did not speak one single sentence on behalf of the students on the matter that was required. All he did was politics. Students don't need politics, boss. Students need real reform. We have made the reform today, a new law. So Rahul Gandhi was not fighting for the students. Rahul Gandhi was fighting against Modi, using students as the pretext. This is what has established today. Anyway, let's keep politics aside and celebrate that India has now got, for the first time in the country's history, a new, stronger amendment bill against paper leaks. Good luck to all of you.